Hi everyone! In today's video, I am showing you how to make veg grilled sandwich. So, let's begin. For this grilled sandwich, we will need 3 slices of bread. On the first slice, apply some mint chutney and place the sliced potatoes and tomatoes and then sprinkle some salt and pepper. Now take another slice of bread and apply some butter and place it facing down. Now spread some mint chutney and put the chopped capsicum and onion on it. Sprinkle some black salt and chaat masala. Now add some grated cheese if you like. Then apply some butter on both the sides of the bread and grill it. It should be done in around 5 to 7 minutes. Cut the sandwich in 2 or 4 pieces and serve with some chips and mint chutney dip. Please check the description box below for the recipe of mint chutney. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.